Hello, my friend around the world. This is Frank. This is Frank. Hello. This is Frank speaking. As I mentioned in my last video, after I resigned from Nicot company 1 or 2 months ago, I joined Zhineng company. So this is my first video to introduce Zhineng company. Okay, to introduce the company and also the Zhineng plant. Our office is on the second floor there, and we eat on the third floor. Zhineng company actually is an old company already. Let me go inside and have a look. Okay, let's go inside. Recent almost 3 weeks I already started the company products information, and our major product is a scooter and car models. See, car models and a scooter. Zhineng was a long time ago. It is set up on 1986, long time ago. And now we are here now. Not yet finished. Maybe it has to come here or later. Zhineng company actually engaged in plastic cover and chassis production since at the very beginning. You see, in 1994, welding plant. And actually, I work in Longxing for a long time. I work in Longxing, started from 2001. And this one is produced actually for Ratto bike. But we of course we can also produce it. This is a street bike. Street bike also, we have some street bike. We call it DD2. This is DD3, and that is DD2, something like that. And this is, anyway, this one is a street bike for Ratto. And you see, these are the major products, like this one. The scooter model, we call it the TT series. This is TT3, TT3C. This is Ratto Motor Auto. The TT3B, that's TT9. That's TT9. This is TT2. And the specification, all the specification already started and edited. And if you have interest, I can send to you. The TT1 have the original version, we call it TT1A, and also have a TT1B, which means a modified version. Just a plastic cover here, modified something a little bit, to make it a little bit different. And the TT2 is also from Click, but the new Click. And the TT2 model also have TT2A and B. TT3 have, it is Yamaha NVX. TT3 model have TT3A, B and C. This is B, and that one is 3. That is C. NVX, Yamaha NVX, and I don't know what is TT9. TT9 is not mature now. TT9 is not mature. It looks like a old class model. Yeah. And then this is TT6.
Honda
TT6
ADV
is
160.
from TT5 is the original.
Yamaha Mio.
Honda Mio model. TT5 also have TT5 A and B. This one is A. This one should be A. This one is TT1 also. TT1. Okay, that's the showroom here. Our office is upstairs. I show you the plant. Okay. Let's go inside to see the plant. Actually, Zhineng also have company share with engine plant. The name is Zhongmu, you see. That's Zhongmu. But so far there is some inner conflict between Zhongmu and Zhineng. that plant is for motorcycle assembly. This is Zhongmu. Zhongmu is the engine plant. Zhineng have 60% share of this company actually, but this company boss is not doing something bad actually. He set up another company nearby, just there, not very far, 2 kilometers far from here, and move all the the people and the technicians and the assembly plant to the new plant. So far there might be some legal issue between this engine plant and Zhineng. This engine plant is Zhongmu. Actually, I come here many times because before I joined Zhineng, Nicot was my last company I worked in. Nicot have engine development agreement project with some Italy company, Vatemati. So actually I am taking care of that project for almost 2 years. So I always come here to discuss with the Vatemati people. He come here and discuss the technical issues here. And why I go inside, because that side is the Zhineng chassis plant. Let's go inside there. So you see this engine plant, almost no people inside, all blank now, and they moved to another place, as I said, to move new plant. Okay, that's the chassis plant. We are going inside the Zhineng welding plant, producing handlebar. You see handlebar and the chassis. Zhineng before, the major business is just producing chassis and plastic cover. And the annual production quantity is 500,000 sets of chassis and plastic cover, and selling to many companies. I see this is using robot to producing the chassis. So you see, that's why recent few years Chinese products quality improved a lot, because Chinese company using a lot of the robots. So the worker no need to use welding workers, expensive welding workers anymore. He just put the material there, then the robot will weld it, and then he just take out the finished product, spare parts. And Zhineng actually have a very special customer. It is TBS. Zhineng have a separated special assembly line for TBS parts. This welding assembly line is just this welding assembly line is just the TBS welding line, welding production line. So these parts are all for TBS. You see, business is very good. Of course, TBS also get the plastic cover from Zhineng. Zhineng boss tell me the quantity of TBS, how many? I forgot. You see, after all the chassis was welded, the worker here will remove the you know, the welding point to make it clean. And this one is not this is the shoot plastic machine. It is for clean the surface. You know, the big welding dot it can remove by the worker, but very small welding dot it can removed by this shoot plastic machine. And now actually Zhineng have a new plant is in construction now. Okay, this is the chassis plant. So let me go to the injection machine for plastic cover. This is the paint. There is the chassis painting production line. Painting here. So here is painted. Here's the one already painted. Then this plant is for plastic cover production. There are many plastic cover injection machines inside. You see the bags? That's the material, PP or ABS. You see a lot of the injection machine. This injection machine is automatic. Some is automatic, some is not. It depends on the mood. You see here. You see, it can lift up the parts automatic. Then he can just throw it there. You see, come here. It is from automatic, from the injection machine, and not all the injection machine is automatic. All the injection machine can be automatic, but like this, some of the mood is very old mood. So, you know, once the mood was separated, if the parts is very easy to be pulled out, then it can use the automatic machine, automatic hand to take it out. But some parts is not, some mood is very old, so that it's not very easy to pull it out. Then it is still need the people to take it out from the mood. So, and of course, all the parts needed to cut the edge. This is just the waste. It will be returned, sell to the, you know, to the recycle plant. So you see a lot of the injection machine. The production volume is 500,000 units sets a year, and 200,000 units was assembled into CPU units and export. You see, this is also automatic. It can take it out by itself. Automatic. Automatic. Very interesting, huh? CVS order, they told me 100,000 sets a year? Let me ask later. Or automatic. You see, the people here just to clean the edge of the plastic cover, because once the parts come out from the machine, the edge is not very clean. The edge here is not very clean, so that the use the knife to clean it like this to make it clean. Okay, then go to the assembly plant. This is the injection plastic cover plant. Assembly plant is here. Okay, we are stepping into the assembly plant, motorcycle assembly plant. You see, this is the tie to assemble into the wheel. This is a scooter, I think. This is a big scooter. The major export is CKD, not the CPU actually, but still can offer CPU because we have one assembly line here and one packing line. This is for CPU or CKD, I'm not sure. Oh, this is CKD, but can assemble CPU unit also. My cell phone is out of power very soon, so today I can only take the video for the plant, but I cannot, don't have time to take video for the motorcycle, I think. Not always that one package, one chassis. Sometimes it is one package, two chassis, which means this package will take two set of the metal parts of motorcycle, and the plastic cover will be packed into another package, the engine another package. So the package loading quantity I will all mention into the my product brochure. So that's it. There are a lot of the different products. This is TT6B, and the TT6B model, this is 7 inches meter. It is 7 inches, and we call it a TFT meter, and it have the navigation function. But it also has a smaller here. You see, smaller meter. This is just 5 inches. It don't have the navigation function. This is also good for the TT6. This is TT6B. You know, TT6B, it has is a tone here. Like I say, it is a tone here. And the TT6A don't have. And the TT6B, the tail is also longer and sharper than TT6A. TT6A is original from Yamaha NMAX, as I said just now. See, a lot of model. This is TT6A, you see? TT6, this is 6B or A? Oh, no. This is TT3. TT3C, this is TT3C, TT3. TT3, you mean, it has a head, but the TT6 don't have a head. TT6 is ADB, you see? TT6 don't have a head. This is TT6. TT6 has a head. TT3 is original
Yamaha
from
NVX.
And that one is TT1, TT5, TT5. This is the carb model. Zhineng have a lot of carb model, a lot. This is what? Brazil way, maybe? This is DD3. That is the Rato model. And this is what? This is TT3C. This is TT3C. This is TT5. This is TT6. You see, it don't have a head. This is original from what? NMAX, Yamaha NMAX. No. ADB. Honda ADB. This is 7 inches. TT6, you see, 7 inches. It has a navigation function. Oh, that one is TT6, but it's 5 inches meter, so don't have a navigation function. So that's the difference, you see, big and small. Okay. Oh, this is what? Maybe this is another one, I don't know. Maybe because Zhineng also produced some model for Zhongsheng and Longxing, this company. So Zhineng don't offer this model. I don't know what model is this. Maybe R0 or something. This is TT6A. TT6A. This is the Cab model, Cab off-road Model 3. This is what? Rattle. That is Brazil. We call it Brazil off-road. Anyway, this is just a rough introduce about our products. I don't know if I will. I think that maybe just later maybe I will make a better products introduce, but something like this is enough. Anyway, we have to record. Anyway, all the products information I will mention it into the products brochure, so that you can see its picture, compare, and the parameters, and also the price. And I also make sure the engine that matching with these models, so that you can see the price difference of the engine, as well as the engine powers parameters, like that. Well, this is TT6B. You see, here is a cone here. This is from Honda Yamaha, Honda ADV 160. This is a Brazil off-road. This is a Cab model, Honda Wave. This is Tiger 5, maybe Tiger 5. That's also Tiger 5. That's Tiger 5. Okay, I think that's it. Bye bye. Bye bye.